Hi there. In this video, we will be doing some aggregation functions in Microsoft Power BI, writing measures. So let's get started. First of all, in the last video, I have created some measures, and now we will be doing aggregation. So we can do at the beginning count rows. So let's do it. Here is the Microsoft Power BI, new measure, and I'll write this M05 count rows. Now I will be counting the number of rows in a table. So I will just write here count rows. This is the function, and the name of the table, let's say the customers. So now I have created my M05 measure. Let's do here a visual, and I will assign the M05 to the visual, and now I have 10 rows, and let's check it here. This is the customers table, and I have here 10 rows, so this is correct. And yeah, so let's do another measure. Now I will be calculating the discount, the distinct count. This is like in SQL distinct. Let's do it. M06. Oh, sorry. Okay, do it again. M06. Let's call it distinct count, and this is the function of a distinct count. And let's count for the column country. Let's give it a card, and yeah, let's assign here the sorry, where was this one? The M count to the main measures. So I have now 6 rows as distinct values for the column country. Let's check it here. This is the table customers, and we can look here. We have Canada, France, Germany, Italy, US, and the UK, and it is 6. So that's correct. Like if I want to calculate the whole table, the rows of the whole table, it's gonna be 10, but the distinct values of the country, it's gonna be 6. Yeah, and for the customer IT, the distinct will be also 10 as well. So this is for the distinct count, and we can also calculate the blank. Let's assign here a measure, a new measure. Let's call it M07 count blank. So this one will calculate how many blank cells I have in a column. So let's give it for the customer name. And you see it's nothing, it's 0. We can also add here a 0, so at the end we can get a 0 instead of just like having a blank text. So it's 0 because here if we go to the customer, I don't have here any blanks, so that's why it's 0. If I have here like here it's empty, it's gonna be this is gonna be 1. Yeah, and maybe we can calculate the maximum number. Let's do it here. This is a new measure, M08 max number. So I will write here max, and let's say for the unit price, this one will calculate really the highest number in the column. And let's give it here a card, just like the max number. So it is saying it is 13. Let's check it here. So this is the unit price. I can just like descending, filter in descending, and you see here the highest number is 13,000. So this is correct. We can also do the maximum revenue for each row. Let's do it. This is a new measure. M09 max revenue, which is gonna be MAXX, because this one will iterate through the table, and the name of the table, which is order details, and now the formula, the equation, which is quantity multiplied by the unit price. So now I will be having the revenue, but the max revenue. Let's do it. Let's do here a card. So it is saying it is 50,000, which means if I go here to the order details table, and if I sort this descending, so I have now 50,000. This is the highest revenue for each product that I got. And also we can do a multiplication for a column. Let's do it here, new measure, M10. Let's call it multiply. Which is, the function is called the product, and I'd say I have a customer ID, and this works only for integer data types or numerical data types. So I have here now my measure. Let's assign a card for this, and yeah, so it is 3.6 million, which is 1 multiplied by 2, which is 2. 2 multiplied by 3, it's 6. 6 multiplied by 4, 24, and so on multiplied by 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the result of the sum of the whole column is 3.6 million. So so that was actually for this video. We have done some aggregation function calculations with measures. So see you in next videos.